You guys, I have 2 new kittens. Here they are. They're so cute. I rescued them together, so they're like bonded, and it's the cutest thing ever. They like snuggle together and they can't be separated. This one's a boy and this one's a girl. I don't know the exact breeds. I don't know like too much specific information because I did kind of rescue them on a whim, so like I wasn't really given much info. But this one is a plain black cat. She has like blue eyes. I keep calling it a she. This is my first male cat. It's a boy and his name is Muffin, but his nickname's Inky. That's what I call him. I'm not really sure what type of kitten this is. They're both like a month old. She doesn't really like being held as much, but her name is Cupcake and we call her Little One just because she's so tiny. Anyways, this is gonna be a what's in my suitcase / bag video. This isn't like a pack with me. I already packed and I kind of did everything a little last minute. This trip really snuck up on me, but me and my boyfriend are going down to the shore for a weekend a day. We're going to Ocean City, Maryland. That's personally our favorite place, and it just happens to be like only a 3-hour drive away from where I live in Pennsylvania, so it's really convenient. So this is going to be my car ride bag, basically all the things that I want handy up front with me in the passenger seat, like my laptop, my phone. I have my facial mister in here if I get car sick, as well as Dramamine. I'm really terrified of getting car sick. I'm gonna have my wallet and things that I need accessible if like we stop anywhere for food or whatever. Also, I got my nails done yesterday and these are literally the cutest thing ever. These are very similar to what I got when I went to Florida like 2 years ago. This is my suitcase. This is a new suitcase. I've never really had a suitcase. I always just packed in duffel bags. I've never really felt like I've needed a suitcase. I decided to get one because this one was super nice. It's a hard case luggage. I got it from Burlington and it was like only $60 or $70. It has a lot of storage and it also has a USB port on it, which is pretty convenient. Okay, so starting in the big pocket, I have this beach bag that I'm gonna be bringing for like towels and stuff when we want to go on the beach. Some shower cubes. I also have this can cooler for any bottles or cans that I'm going to be drinking. I also have this misting fan. You put water in the bottom of this and it can be just a regular fan, or you can like add water from the back. These are like the things that you used to bring on field trips in school. It's just like a more updated modern version and I really like these. And then here is my toiletry / shower bag. So I have no makeup in here, but I do have all of my shampoo, conditioner, my body wash and facial wash, all of my shower stuff in this pocket. I really love that we're not flying, so I can bring big bottles of products. And then in here is all of my after shower products, like my toothpaste, toothbrush, leave-in conditioner, a brush, deodorant, stuff like that. Super cute shower bag. It hangs up in the shower so you have all of your products in there with you. And then in here I have this Juicy Couture bag that does have all of my makeup and skincare. I usually don't do my makeup that much on vacation, but I do have other things in here like sunscreen, tanning oil. I also have aloe. These two are like my beach favorites. They are an absolute must whenever I am tanning outside, especially when I go on vacation to the beach. I also have this Bath & Body Works spray. This is Bahamas Passion Fruit and Banana Flower. This scent sounded so peculiar to me and I really did not think that I was gonna like it, but I smelt it and it literally smells like the beach. I normally don't like fruity scents, which is what this is, but honestly it's a mix of like fruity and super clean. It just reminds me of like the shore. Tropical is definitely the right word to describe this. I also have these facial wipes that are going to be great to bring on the beach with me if we need a refresh, just to wipe your face of any sweat. I have a smaller bag in this bag because this is all of my skincare and this is all my makeup in here. But in my skincare bag I have this watermelon setting spray from Ciate London, and I'm mainly going to use this as like a refreshing facial spray, not for like after makeup. I have a watermelon serum, which I got this from Marshall's, and it smells and feels absolutely amazing, especially for the beach. If you have like sunburn or something, it'll be great for hydration. I have a watermelon facial mask. This is a gel mask, and then just a Victoria's Secret watermelon lip gloss. I love watermelon for the beach. The rest of the stuff in this bag is makeup, like I said. So I have my makeup mirror, some eyelashes, I have a highlighter, glue, brow gel, brow pencil, I have this really hydrating lip serum from Blistex. Chapstick just doesn't do enough, especially in the summer. Some tools, and then I also have these aloe facial masks if me and Darian want to do a skincare night or if we get sunburned. This bag is from Marshalls, by the way, as well. It's really cute. It's like a black velvet case with rhinestones on the front. And then moving to the main compartment, which is my clothes, or I'm sorry, we're gonna do my bathing suits first in the front zipper. I have 2 of these bikini skirts, so these can be paired with literally anything. They're just super sheer, almost like cover up like, and they just go over any bikini. I have these tie-dye scrunched bikini bottoms from Victoria's Secret, and I'm gonna probably pair that with this triangle top that I got from Target, but honestly I'm probably gonna mix and match while I'm down there because all of my stuff like matches so good with each other that like you can mix and match. I have to bring at least 1 pair of my rhinestone bikini bottoms from Victoria's Secret, so I'm bringing the floral ones because it matches the whole pink vibe. And to match as a pair for those bottoms, I'm going with this really pretty like rose colored top from Cupshe. This top fits amazing. It's super flattering. I also have this really pretty pattern. It's not tie-dye. It's like kind of watercolor or like sunset vibe top from Cupshe. I paired that with these plain white Cupshe bottoms. And then I just brought 2 extra pairs of bottoms that are plain black and a gray, as well as my Beats speaker for the beach. Showing you my shoes first just because they're on top. I'm bringing these nude rhinestone flip-flops. This would literally go with any single outfit that I have, as well as these white and silver sparkly rhinestone flip-flops. I got these in Delaware while I was on my way back from an Ocean City trip, I think a couple years ago, and they're so beautiful. I love them so much. They're like my everyday wearers in the summertime. And then I'm also bringing a dressier shoe for if we go on like a nice dinner or anything like that. So I have this really pretty cheetah maxi dress. This is a full-length dress and it's so thin and flowy. It's like literally the cutest thing. This could be used as like a plain dress or a beach cover-up, so I'll wear it one of those ways. If you guys have watched literally any of my other pack with me videos, you know that I never pair outfits simply because I only own neutral clothing. Everything is either white, gray, black, or pink. So I kind of just pack my staples and pair it down there with whatever I'm feeling. So I'm packing my white ripped jean shorts. I also have these plain ripped jean shorts, a pair of black ripped jean shorts. These are really short. I'm gonna need to get another pair of black shorts soon. I also am bringing a pair of capris. I always like to bring at least 1 pair of either jeans that are full length or capris in case if it rains or if it's windy one day or storming or whatever. I'm also bringing these pink sweatpants. They are super cute and super comfortable. And I'm also bringing a pair of these long fuzzy sweatpants. These are obviously for like pajamas, but Darian likes to blast the AC in the room, so I can never comfortably sleep. And then this pile is all of my shirts, and I also have a couple dresses in here for like a night out. I recently upped my entire wardrobe with Shein. I'll link that video down below. It was like a huge haul. This is a hot pink bodycon dress, and it's like a really pretty halter design at the top. I'm wearing this sparkly pink top. This is literally like my favorite top that I own. It's perfect. So the first top is one that I got from Shein. This is kind of an extra top. Like I said, I'm staying for like a week and a day. I'm bringing this plain pink Forever 21 tube top, but literally tell me this isn't the cutest top you've ever seen. It's just so dainty and just my style. I have this drop front top. It's a really pretty fit. It has the cowl neck in the front, and it's also a really pretty pattern, pretty material. This next top is literally my favorite. I know I say like every piece in here is my favorite, but obviously you bring your favorites on vacation, but this top is really just a statement. It speaks for itself. It's literally beautiful. It looks super expensive, and it's literally from Shein. It fits perfect, and it has rhinestones going down where the wire is on the corset. I also have another like bustier style top, and this is laced up in the front, and it's all laced down at the bottom except for up here. It kind of looks like a bralette. And that is all I'm packing. I am going to be wearing a plain white tube top on the car ride, so I will have that down there as well. I definitely can fit more than enough in this suitcase for what I need at least. And this is like for more than a week's worth of a stay. And I have extra room, which is really good. I still have yet to pack some little things. Like I have my power bank charging over there on my nightstand, credit cards, money, stuff like that. But for the most part, I'm all ready to go in the morning. We're probably going to load up the car tonight as well, just so we can get an early start. Like I said, I am leaving tomorrow, so I'm probably going to edit this on the card, so I'm not sure when this is going to be going up. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.